We're in Lancashire, my home county of Lancashire, and we're on a camp with my mate Kenny. It's his local camp just behind his house. I'm very envious. He's got a great big woodland behind his house. It's bloody brilliant for walks and camping and all sorts. It's a huge place, and we've camped here before. We've camped here a couple of times in different places, but this is the second time I've been to this spot. And it was a very wet camp last time I was here. Hopefully it'll be a dry one this evening. And it's springtime now. It's the first few days of spring. So we're enjoying it. We're enjoying the buds on the trees, and it's my favourite time of year in the sense that the bugs aren't really out yet, but we're getting that later evenings, and it's a bit brighter weather. So I'm going to enjoy this camp. So yeah, we're just about to set up. This is the camp we've been at before. Kenny just in the background there, just clearing a bit of a site that we've used in the past, where there's a log where we can sit down and set up a campfire. So we're going to do a bit of a lean-to shelter over here, I think. I'll show you in a minute me setting that up, and we'll do a little tarp over there because there is possible signs of rain tonight, so we'll just prepare for that. I've got a few things to show you as well. I've got a little bit of kit to show you that I purchased recently, and also a new knife. I've got myself a new knife, something I've made myself as well. So there's a few things to show you and share with you, but yeah, let's get the camp set up and get prepared for later on this evening. Oh, it's a wet camp. Choose your height, and it locks it in. And obviously you can lower your tripod by moving your legs out as well. That looks alright, that. I'll take some weight. Not bad. Yeah. Beautiful. But a mental time running around, getting stuff done. What time are you on, okay? 7 o'clock. Yeah, we'll get some timber on go now. We'll start a fire and we'll get some ashes ready. Well, we don't need ashes. With a beef casserole, we don't really need the ashes. That's the convenience of cooking a casserole in a billy can, isn't it, in the wet, that you don't have to wait for the ashes to form. So we'll get the fire going, we'll get that on the go straight away, I think. We've got a nice camembert though, so that could do with a few ashes, couldn't it? So there'll be about an hour and a half of cooking time in the casserole anyway, so we'll have a few beers and a chat and a bit of cheese dipping with breadsticks whilst we wait. This is good timber. Straight grain. That's a bit punky. Punky that one is.
Yeah.
That'll split well, won't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, a bit punky.
Yeah, it's setting on it.
That's good. Right. That's good. That's all right. I've put some shavings of some fat wood in there, and I've just broke some kindling into tiny bits. There, it's pretty dry. This we believe it's sycamore. It's rained a bit now, so all little twigs and trees are a bit wet. So we're just gonna get some members on the go in this little kindling tin I've got here. We'll try birch bark first. I foraged this from a birch outsider with my local Waitrose. So yeah, we'll try that first, and I'm sure it'll light, and then we'll stick it on top of all these kind of resinous bits of fat wood I've just shaved off, and then once that's kind of took, then I'll just kind of start placing.
In there as well.
Saved him. Saved the little fella. Oh mate, you have a good day. Right, let's get this on the go. Fire. And then we'll stick some of that fat wood on there as well, because that takes. Get a few twigs on the go.
They're dry, those ones. They were under from the tarp.
And once we know they've took a bit, then I'll dare to chuck it in my little wigwam of kindling.
There you go.
Well, let's not celebrate yet, because this often happens to me. We have had some dry days all recently. Sun's been out, so been spring now, so I think some of this wood's going to be taken a lot easier than what I have experienced recently on a few camps. You know, winter wet wood is a bugger. It's actually gone out again. Yeah, I'm going to stick.
Lucky.
I know, it's gone out again, so I'm sticking some of these wax timber. You know, you have them for your log burn and stuff like that. You get them in supermarkets. And another little like wax cake that I make at home that's just full of like a Vaseline and flammable stuff like that. And this will get it going now, because the wax will just set everything off and make everything burn, even if it's wet. Yeah, these wax soaked bits of timber that you get from the supermarket, they're just brilliant. Once they take, and then we get that wax cake going, everything's going to be covered in flammable dewy goodness, and it should be good. But I have been struggling with me wet weather fires for a long time, but yeah, I'll be honest with you, I'm still learning, very much so. Right, let's start the casserole. Is ever Billy, I've got some meat already prepared from home, some thyme, some dodgy spuds that I found at cupboard. They've got some growth on them. You don't mind that, Kenny, do you? Popping some of them in there as well. Onion, gravy granules for thickening up, some carrots, some swede, casserole stuff, dumpling powder, and then yeah, that's the swede. I'll chop all that up and get it over the fire. That's ticking over nicely now. I've just built me beer all down my pants. It's a good beer, that one as well. You see, catching IPA. Oh well, price we pay for chopping onions. Get these in some oil in pan, and we'll brown these off and reduce them, or whatever chefs say to make it sound good. I tell you what, there's a bit of trust in this very thin chopping board and this very sharp knife. Just my brain's going, don't do that. Thin, but it's durable. Swedes next. Another good thing about camping is, like, when you're thinning all your vegetables, I don't feel dead bad that it's flying all over the floor. Don't judge me, but I might not even pick these up.
No, yeah.
Would you hold it against me?
Clean up camp afterwards, yeah. The deers will love that. I'm sure they would do.
Oh no. Oh, it's not going to work.
That's alright, just...
It's alright, I'll... Onions in there now, bit of oil. We'll get them cooking now.
Is any water in there?
Once some onions have browned off or reduced, yeah, then we'll get the carrots in and then we'll pop some water in there with casserole mix and start putting the rest of the veg in there and let that just cook away for a bit. Can't believe I spilt this one. It's my favourite beer at the moment. No, there's a little drag in the bottom of it, but my pants smell of this beautiful IPA. Let's get these carrots in there now.
Get a nice angle on there.
Oh, it's channeling the smoke into my face. Oh, hot. I have to say, this tripod jig thing, I'm quite impressed with it so far. Just its ease, you know, convenience of it, a little pin at the top, adjusting the height. Yeah, it just save a bit of time. Obviously, you can make one out of with string at the top, you know, a bit of paracord at the top, should I say. Just speed things up a little bit. I'm quite pleased with it. We've had some campfire issues again. Yeah, the wood's a bit damp. You just got to keep on top of it, haven't you? You've got to keep feeding it and drying it out and feeding it like a machine of hotness in the middle and then dry wood on the outside and so on and so forth. Onions are nice and browned now, we believe. And now we're just going to pop in some water and some of the old beef casserole sachet. Pop that in there. Don't need more than that way. Casserole mix. That's the magic. It's everything, that.
Yeah.
What's it looking like in there? Is it all mixing all right?
Yeah. Hissing away. Hissing away.
Right, let's get the little growers off this. These are potatoes. Let's cut them off. You don't mind skin being on, Kenny, do you?
No.
We'll cut them off, yeah.
Skin's good. No.
Fire's going hell for leather, isn't it now?
Yeah.
It's like a roller coaster ride, my campfires. These spuds off. And just stick them in like that, I think. That fire's proper going now, mate, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah. Yeah. Belting.
They're the colours you want to see.
Feel warm, a bit of blue in there, yeah.
Yeah.
It's, that's good.
When I do my wild camping, I often bring like camo stuff and green and brown stuff. And then Kenny comes out with his bloody Mario Brothers pants.
Red t-shirt. Yes, it's
Like he's on a bloody building site. Hi, Viz. Let's get the rest of this potatoes in Swede. You want to do the scooping?
yeah. The angle the
Chopping board that bends.
is good.
Crikey, that's hot.
Yeah, that's all right.
Burning me hand. Go on, that'll do. And let's get the Swede in now. Go on. Oh, I don't need you. There you go. That a bit of garlic.
That last bit
Make
of
all the
garlic.
difference, that bit of garlic.
Yeah.
Tell you what, yeah, good chopping board that bends. I know it's plastic, it's not very bushcraft, is it? But it stops you spilling your spuds. Do you want to put a glove on? Are you alright?
Short bursts, I'm alright. Asbestos hands. Smells bloody good anyway.
So now it's putting meeting time. Been on this for about 45 minutes, something like that, and I've opted to use rump beef steak. So it's not stewing steak, so I didn't want it to take too long to cook, so that's the reason I've used that. But I don't want to overcook it either, so we're going to pop that in now. This has been on there for about 45 minutes. We're going to pop in the rump steak. We're going to give that half an hour till we're done, but we're also going to put the dumplings in as well 10 minutes later than when we put the steak in. I've already chopped it at home. It's just in a plastic bag. I'll pop in now. So it should be good to eat at 10 o'clock. I've had it at worse times.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready? We don't want this to go wrong.
No.
Yeah.
It's in the pot.
Give it that stir.
It's in the pot, man.
We've got some time. No, not the time on your watch. Time is in the herb. Time is in the herb.
Bang it in, I reckon, now.
Now,
Yeah. Let's leave it for a little
I'll
bit.
get my dumplings mixed up anyway.
Yeah.
Done this before and it's worked out really well. Popping that in a bag and then mixing the fluid in there, mashing it all up and then squeezing it out into the pot from a corner of the bag. That's what I've done. Mixing that up. I've made mistakes before doing this, so you only put a touch in and mash it in and try again. That could have been too much, didn't it? Got lucky then. I think I were a bit too cavalier then pouring that in there, but kind of get in there now. You can kind of see that texture. Don't really want any lumps in there. I'm just going to squeeze all that into the corner of it. lob off this corner and blob them in. Where are my gloves? Better check on my cheese. Oh yeah. We want it to be gooey. That's what we want, isn't it? Gooey cheesiness. Oh yeah, we're there, mate. Oh, I'm like a professional. Check that out. We're just ready. Oh, look at that. Oh my word. That's liquid magma. Get them breadsticks in that now. That works so well.
Spilling out.
Oh, it's spilling out. Get stuck into that, mate.
Fantastic. Come on then.
Bloody hell, that worked out well, hasn't it, that? Okay, that.
Yes.
Stuck into that. Worked so well.
Yeah.
It's not even too hot inside, is it?
No, it's not roasting, is it?
It's been stinking my fridge out for a couple of days, this.
Yeah.
And my pack smells of cheese now as well.
Wow.
It's been in a plastic bag and everything, but never underestimate the power of the smell of camembert or the power of the taste.
Yeah.
Well, I've got a bit of skin there.
Even the skin's good.
But when you get all the skin in there as well,
Yeah.
get more bang for your buck.
Yeah.
What's she like? That's one dumpling cake. Just give it a stab. Yeah, it'll be alright, that. Yeah. Give it a little bit of a stir deep down. You can try to keep it in segments or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, smash it up and eat, won't it? Just mixing some gravy granules in it now. Get it all in there. Eat. Dinner time. Fishing up time. Oh yeah. That's not bad, that, mate.
Yeah.
Bit of gruel. I think we're in tipping territory here, aren't we? More tipping than we are shoveling.
So yeah.
I like tipping food out. Oh, lad. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Excellent.
That's gonna be beautiful.
Yes.
We've got the carrots. We've got the
Carrots are good actually.
We've got the swede, we've got the potato, we've got the beef. What's the beef like actually?
It's not bad, I've had a big chunk of it.
Yeah, the thyme. Oh, the onion. It's all going on, mate.
Wow.
Oh, Kenny with knife and fork. Proper knife and fork. Oh, I'm overspilling here.
It's over, yeah it is, isn't it?
Oh, it's skinning over. I think it's going to be a glove jobby, that. What's it like? Is it alright?
Yeah. Looks great.
When?
Yeah.
It could be a bit thicker, but I'm not complaining.
That's so good, that.
But what I like about cooking stews though on a campfire is that you can get cooking straight away. You don't have to worry about coals and stuff. So it's good all rounder, and it's definitely good one for wet weather.
Yeah.
It's hard to go wrong really as well. And I'm not the best cook, and if I can do that, I think anyone can. You've got a hot bit.
Yeah.
You think you're going to upgrade to a metal plate?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Is that one like kids?
This is whatever's in the drawer, mate. Yeah. The round one's quite handy.
Why?
It's just a, you know, you can
Hold
like,
it.
yeah. The carrots are perfect as well, I think, as well.
I think the meat's bob on. There's no dumplings in here though.
Oh no,
It's just-
we've gone.
Yeah, that's not worked out, has it?
Well, we've wolfed that out.
Oh, ready for it, I think.
Yeah.
Helps when you've got a great big shovel-like spoon now as well.
Yeah.
Look the size of that
Yeah.
compared to yours.
Yeah.
Certainly gives you a big mouthful. Oh yeah. I'm done. Left it here. Just putting this pot on now with some water in there and some washing up liquid. We'll get that warming up and we'll wash up pots with that. And I'm really happy with this rig as well. It's worked out really well for adjusting the heights. Just saves a bit of time, but also makes life easier, simple and effective. Bit of washing up. Wash Kenny's fine silver. Quite a combination of fine silver and the Tupperware.
Tupperware box.
Anyway, time to get the chairs out. I've been doing the backs in too much that, so I'm raking the big guns out. Getting the OEX chairs out. Matching OEX chairs as well. It's done its job now, it's done a good job. And we're doing the old lazy man's fire now. That's what we're doing. It's happening. There's nothing you can do about it. That's a big one, isn't it? That's all it is. Really pleased with it. I don't think they're even dear as well. £7 on Amazon or something like that. Oh! Here he is. He's got his OEX chair as well. We bought them together. Well, I bought him one when I got my one. They're in the sale. I'll put a little mark on mine just so he doesn't take mine. His bum might be a different shape to mine. I've got a little treat for you later on, mate.
What's that?
Yeah, a bit of hot chocolate, a bit of Grandpa's medicine in it.
Alright.
Like that.
Top,
got
and
stew down your
the
top.
top and everything. Haven't
The thunderstorm and the rain were a bit exciting, really, weren't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, should we have a hot chocolate now? So I should. Have you got a cup? This would be interesting.
Yeah, I have a cup.
Yeah. Get that in there. Get some water on boil. Hot chocolate time. Bit of Grandpa's medicine. Right. I think I've got more than you.
Alright. No bother.
Cheers, mate.
Cheers. Cheers.
I hope your cup don't melt. It's well quite hot, that water. We're finishing off our, well, you've had yours. I'm finishing off my hot chocolate with Grandpa's medicine in. It's a bit cold now. Kenny's been nodding off a bit, haven't you, mate?
I have, mate. Yeah.
I've got, well, I've got a bit of beer to drink, but I think it's getting ready for bed, aren't you?
I'm sorry, I am.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm knackered.
So we've had a good camp. It's been really good, but we've been enjoying the rain, as daft as it might sound, because I love the pitter patter on the tarp, and it's just when you've got, we're all right. We've got a 4 metre by 4 metre tarp over there, covering this for our camp, our bed kit, and we've got this one for camp. And the wind's not been blowing the smoke in the face. Campfire's just ticking down now. Rain come at right time. We got a little bit of thunder and lightning as well at one point, so that was
really close. Big flash and then boom.
Yeah, we enjoyed that. So it's been the best wet camp I've had this, I think, because we've had no trouble from smoke and we got all the jobs done before it came. So it's been a good one. So yeah, it's getting that time to end the night. So yeah,
He loves it.
Kenny's off now, mate, aren't you?
It.
So
mate.
we'll bring you back in the morning, I suppose. So we'll say the night for now. See you in the night, Kenny.
Ta-ra.
See you in the morning. we go, mate. Sorry, a little brew.
Oh, that's alright. Perfect.
I'm going to have some flapjacks as well for breakfast. Bit of a quick breakfast, this one, but I do love a flapjack.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, yeah. Oh, it was a good night last night, and we had a.
Once got the fire going.
Yeah, once got the fire going, and we did well with weather really in the end. Kept us dry the tarps because we got set up in the right time. So universe, we're grateful to the universe for that. And the food was good, wasn't it? Enjoyed that, and I had a decent sleep. I tried out a sleeping bag liner last night. It's the first time I've used one of them before, the stretchy one. I've used the British military ones that are cotton inside the British military bag that I like. But there's no giving them, so you get tangled up in them. But this one's quite stretchy. You don't feel like you've got any problems, so I enjoyed that. That's working out for me. Oh, all my icing is broken off. I'm not that keen on icing anyway. What's marzipan? I don't like marzipan.
Almond.
The worst part of a Christmas cake. Peel mine off.
Yeah. Just eat the fruit bit. Yeah.
It's a lovely woodland, this. When you look through it, it's like it goes on forever. Flat little woodlands are like that though, aren't they? That was good. I thought I'd share with you something I've made recently. I put together this knife, sheath and handle. I bought the blank from Condor. Just carbon steel, nothing special. I think about 20 quid. But I've formed all the handle and made my own sheath and bought a ferrocerium rod, fit in there. I've always fancied this style of sheath. Sometimes people put like an eyelet through there, and then if it's a dangler on your leg, you can actually strap it to your leg to something flapping around if you wish. That's not why I would use it, but if you perhaps had it on the outside of your bag, you could stop it flapping around by fixing it in two places. So something I might do that, put an eyelet there if I think I'd use it like that. But yeah, it's worked out. There's a few little things that I'm not so pleased with, like the stitching's a bit ropey in some places, but it's strong and it works, so hopefully it'll continue to do so and it'll become an old friend of mine. And the other thing I wanted to show you as well is these compression sacks from MTAC, military and tactical gear. I bought 3 of these now, all different sizes, and because they've got 3 compression straps in the middle, they really give you the opportunity to squish things into sausages, thin sausages, long sausages, or just manipulate your gear to suit your bag. So really pleased with that. It's the only one I've come across that's got 3 straps on it. So you're really pleased with them, and having all the sizes works for just whatever kit you've got. Obviously you can stick multiple things in one bag, just rather than having random stuff strapped at the back of your pack. You've got a bit more option to pop them in these, keep them a bit of water protection, because they do have a little internal flap as well just on the opening end, and then that'll just close off the end, and you're taped and sealed for waterproofness on the inside as well. So a good bit of kit, not too bad money wise, and yeah, I think it's a good addition to your setup. MTAC. Hey, you went with that?
When I went for a pee this morning.
Kenny taking pictures of me whilst I'm sleeping in my bivvy.
I thought you were in a body bag.
Well, you are, aren't you?
Yeah.
Well, you are. Right, pack away time. That's it, the end of another camp, and this is where our fire was, just over here. We're all packed up, all tidied away. Still a bit drizzly this morning, but it's been kind to us really. We've done well. We've done well, Kenny, haven't we, mate?
Yeah.
It's been a good camp, enjoyed it, and got to use all my tarps. I love a bit of tarpology. Got to set them up, got to use a bit of kit. It's all good in it, camping. What it's all about sometimes, isn't it? Well, it's not all about that, it's about getting outside really, isn't it? That's the main thing. But yeah, I do love the gear as well. So it's time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.